Are you looking for a versatile, eco-friendly, and stylish way to preserve your food? Look no further than the Weck Canning Jars 742. These transparent glass jars are perfect for home canning and offer an excellent seal-proof option for preserving food. One of the standout features of these jars is their food preservation capabilities. Made from BPA-free glass, Weck jars come in various sizes and shapes to suit your needs. They are easy to seal and have a decorative design, making them a great addition to your kitchen. Whether you have an abundant garden or want to save your leftover food from spoiling, these jars are a safe and airtight solution. Weck is a trusted brand that specializes in home canning research. With their extensive experience and innovative ideas, they have continuously improved home canning methods. So you can trust that these jars are designed to provide the best results for preserving your food. In addition to being functional, Weck jars also promote healthy and easy living. In a world that is moving away from plastics, these jars offer an eco-friendly alternative. They come with additional cork and keep fresh lids, ensuring that your food stays fresh and free from contaminants. You can easily wash these glass jars in the dishwasher and they are safe to use in the microwave. Durability is another important aspect of these Weck jars. Made from thick and sturdy glass, they are built to last. This makes them a perfect gift option for your loved ones. The jars can be used for various purposes including storing juices, pickled vegetables, dried pulses, spices, and even cotton wool in the bathroom. With Weck, your satisfaction is guaranteed. They have been providing quality glass jars for over a century and have never failed their customers. Once you use Weck jars, you'll never look for other canning jars again. Please note that these jars are designed for use in the US. If you plan to use them internationally, you may need an adapter or converter. Please check compatibility before purchasing. In conclusion, the Weck Canning Jars 742 are stylish, durable, and versatile jars that offer a great solution for food preservation. With their airtight seal, BPA-free construction, and decorative design, these jars are a must-have for any kitchen. Whether you're canning your homegrown produce or storing your leftover food, these Weck jars have got you covered. Invest in these high-quality jars and enjoy the benefits of preserving your food in a safe and eco-friendly way. For more information about these Weck Canning Jars, visit the link in the description.